Hello and welcome to our Church Plus YouTube page. In this tutorial, I will guide you on how to edit and update service reports. Follow these steps. 1. Go to the menu area and click on Events. 2. Click on Services. Once the page loads, it shows you the overall average of attendance, offering first-timers, new converts. From the table area, you can search for reports using the search function. Export reports to Excel. Approve report. The ellipse icon, located under the action, provides you with three options: viewing the report, editing it, or deleting it. Click on the Edit button to make any necessary modifications. Once you are done, click on Save and continue to update the report. It is the responsibility of the church admin to verify and approve all reports. Congratulations on learning how to edit a service report. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. For any questions or support, please email us at support@churchplus.co. Thank you for watching and bye for now.